Colville neighbourhood and the Colville estate is a major project. It's over 900 homes in total for the master plan area that we've worked on with Hackney Council. The two buildings that we're developing now with Hackney Council and Anthology are the market sale buildings for the whole neighbourhood. And the cross-subsidy from these homes help Hackney Council rebuild the wider estate. So we invited David Chipperfield's office to collaborate with us on phase 3, and we've worked together very collaboratively as two offices, but sharing the design process all the way through. We always work with sketches, really big sketches, hand drawings, and very big physical models. We find that's the best way to communicate the early design ideas, working very closely with the wider neighbourhood.
Towers are difficult to design, because once you're over 4 or 5 stories, the tower starts to have another set of criteria, which is geometry and form and clarity. I think we were very interested in the generosity of the apartments and the idea of the balcony, and the idea of the balcony being the place where you understood as an occupant the physicality of the building. So this strong brick form, both in terms of how the building hits the ground and how the facade absorbs these balconies.
The materials for the building are very simple. We've got 2 beautiful bricks, some very beautiful glazing systems, and then this granite, a carpet of granite cobbles, and that flows straight into the foyer of the 2 buildings, just with a very subtle glazing line forming the difference between the inside and the outside. The position of the buildings on the southern edge of the Colville neighbourhood is quite important. They're right at the focal point of the local district, of the school, the leisure centre, the park. From that point, the views are incredible. The hexagonal form of the plan helps as much light as possible get round into the surrounding streets and into the surrounding buildings.
You hope that the organisation of these towers create a social identity. You have some sense of community. And then beyond that, you want it to contribute to the area itself. I'm hoping that these apartments provide people that live there with a very comfortable and enjoyable place to live.